I'm making the little knobs for the top of the jars I'm making. I throw these individually. Sometimes I throw them off the hump, but today I'm just going to make 3 or 4 of them and find the ones I like on each pot. So this is how I do it. So I get a little ball of clay there. Hardest part's getting it centered and sticking to the wheel head. It doesn't want to do that because there's not much clay here. Okay, so we got the thing centered. You gotta have a foot on there. I keep knocking these off center and then having to throw them back on center, so hope this goes out alright. We'll have to make another video if not. So you can see I'm getting a little knob shape there. Need to get the camera lower, but it's kind of tough to do these because there's just not a whole lot of clay here to support the other clay. And somewhere I chucked my trimming needle, so using what I have at hand right now. Okay, so there's a knob all roughed out. Just clean it up a little bit. Alright, so can't stand just a plain old knob, so I usually put a spiral on the top. Cut around the base a little bit, and there's a knob. Then what I'll do is I'm going to put these outdoors so they set up quicker, get them in some air and sunlight, and then I'll transfer them, transfer them to the lids. And maybe I can show you a finished pot before we fire. Okay, talk to you later.